Instagram filters were one of the things that turned this social network into what it is, one of the most popular. And to stand out, you can create your own filters. To create them, you can use the tool Spark AR Studio, and you can download it for free and install it on your Windows PC or your Mac with Mac OS. As a complement, there is an app called Spark AR Player for iPhone and Android, with which you can see how your new AR filters look before integrating them into your Instagram app. The installation process is a little different depending on whether it is on Windows or Mac OS. But as Windows has a greater number of users, we will guide you through the process of this operating system. When you run the installation file that you downloaded in the previous step, you will enter the first screen of the installation process. Here you are only welcomed, and you must click on the next button to continue. When you complete the installation steps, you must enter the application and start using it. When you start it the first time, you will have to log in using your Facebook account. When you enter the application, you will see that there is first an initial screen with samples and options to load effects or create them from scratch. And once in the editor, it will be as if you were using a complex photo or video editor. The app comes with sample videos of 7 people performing various head movements for easy testing of effects. On the Spark AR Studio official page, you will find tutorials and guides. Once finished, in the small column on the left, click on the Export option that appears with an up arrow icon. After doing so, a window will open where you can see if the size of your composition is good or too heavy. It would be necessary to compress. If everything is fine, press the blue Export button in the Windows and choose where to save the file and with what name.